Hello friends, welcome back to our channel, promo code and discount. This is yours Jageswar. If you are looking to save money whether on your next order or your next purchase or flight or ride, don't be worried, you are on the right page. In this video, I will show you how to get $300 off coupon codes on United Airlines for your next flight. So watch the full video to unlock ultimate money saving secrets. But before that, if you are new here, don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to stay updated. First of all, you have to open your preferred browser on your device, whether you are using a smartphone or desktop. Let me open the Chrome browser here on my device. Once you are on the home page of your browser, there you will find a search bar at the top of your device. So go ahead and type United Airlines coupon codes over there and search for it. And with that, you will find links of different websites. You can head towards any one of these websites and you will find discount for your next flight. But among these websites, this Coupon Flow is the iconic website where you will find incredible deals and offers for your next flight, which you are not going to find anywhere else. This site is mostly known for its user-friendly interface, regularly updated offers, and vast selection of retailers. So go ahead and click on this link and this will bring up a list of available coupon codes and deals for United Airlines flight. Here you can see tons of offers including discounts on specific orders like 35% off, $75 off, $300 off, $150 off, $150 off, 65% off, and so on. You can grab any one of these offers. But for that, what you need to do is, you need to just simply click on the offer which you like the most. And after that, a detailed page will be opened for that along with the code. Let me click on this offer, that is $300 off. Now we are on the detailed page of that offer. Here you will find the code for that. And under offer details, you can also check the expiration date of that code. And if the code is not expired, now you will need to click on the copy option. And with that, the code will be copied. Once the code is copied, now you have to click on the redeem option which is just below the code. And that will direct you to the official website of United Airlines. Here you are on the official website of United Airlines. First of all, you will need to log in into your United Airlines account. And if you don't have it, then go ahead and first create your account on United Airlines. You can create your account or log in into it by simply clicking on this option which is showing like a people. So go ahead and first create your account and log in into it. Once you are logged in, now you can book your flight. And finally, when you move to the checkout page, at the checkout page you will find a section of the code where you will need to paste the code which you copied previously and confirm your flight. And with that, you will get discount applied to your total. It's that easy. In this way, you can save significant amount of money on your next flight. Now let's head back to the coupon flow page. Likewise, you can also try other offers, but make sure that the code for those offers are not expired. And if not, then you will need to use the same exact steps which you used previously, and with that you will get discount on your flight. Let's head back to the home page of our browser. Here beside this Coupon Flow website, you can visit these websites as well as, and from there also you can get discount on your flight. So friends, that's all about how to get $300 off coupon codes on United Airlines for your next flight. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Another most significantly, don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get notification of our every latest money saving tips and tricks at first. Nextly, if you have any questions or suggestions, drop them in comment. Thanks for watching, and until next time, have a happy saving.